Hi guys, it's Lottie. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going on a day out to my local farm and I'm going to bring you guys along with me. Before I get into the video, please remember as always to subscribe to my page while you're here. Now let's go see some farm animals. Okay, let's have a look around the farm and see what animals we can find. I'm not exactly sure what this is. It's either a llama or an alpaca, but have a look. This rabbit is the same colour as my dog and I love it. Look at it. Just picked up my goodies from the shop. Let me show you what I got. I got some cherry liqueur, never tried it before. And I also got a little raspberry gin to try. I'm obsessed with this cheese collection. In this big bag, I have some shell pasta, 2 bavette steaks, some chocolate covered honeycomb, 2 blocks of cheese, some pure honeycomb, 6 English sausages, 2 boxes of quail eggs, and finally 2 cow chocolates. I'm now back home from the farm and that was honestly such a fun little day out. I really need to try and do things like that way more often. If you guys enjoyed the video, then please make sure to subscribe to my page while you're here and I'll see you in the next video next week.